Whoa, gee. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. How are you? I'm so glad that you are here, still supporting the amazing M&G channel. Now, guys, look at these. These are what you call soldier crab. See them there, guys? See them there, guys? At this time of the year, they come from out of the hills, come down, lay their eggs, and go back in the mountains. See them here, guys? Look at them. I want to see them properly, you know. See them there, guys? Soldier crab. See them there? I don't know if you guys know them, but look, in Jamaica, we call them soldier crab. Yes, guys. Fishermen use them to fishing as well. See them there? They're even on the trees. See them there, guys? I'm just coming to work and I see them. And I see them come down already. Yes, guys, all in the trees. See them there? Some big, some small. Some into different type of shells. Oh my. I'm showing you all of them. Some more here into this tree here. Anywhere they can find themselves, they go. See them there, guys? This is the road. So rain falls, so water is there. They're even in the water crossing over to the next side. They're on the road. They're even going to the villas. Yes, guys, come here. What a whole heap, man. I should know some big crab. I didn't get them first this morning. Yes, guys, them there crawling. Them there, guys. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Look on them. Them one here big. Them there, guys. These are live soldier crab. Them there. They come down from out of the hills, as I said before, lay their eggs and then they go back now. This is the time of year that they come and do that thing. Oh my, and this is down by the Blue Lagoon. Oh my God. They're moving along. Going back up into the hills, guys. Them there? They're moving along. Going up back, where? Into the hills and the valleys. Them there, guys. I'm showing you what is happening in my country, you know. I want you to look and see everything. Them here, guys. Some more there. A lot of them. When we say a lot, it's a lot. It's a lot of them. A whole heap. Whoa. Watch ya. Everywhere me go, me see more. Why, them bungle up. Them one here bungle up. Whoa, look how them bungle up. You seen them, guys? Oh my gracious. Well, God is good, guys. Watch one, this big one. This one is a crab. Oh my God, see one crab here. Oh, I feel like crab. I see one crab here, guys. See one crab here. If I could have catch him for cooking, but I'm afraid I can't catch him. Oh my God, see crab here. See crab here, guys. See here, guys. This is a crab. They call it pimento crab. I wish I could have catch him. Lord, I can't catch him. I'm afraid. If you catch him, I'm afraid of him. Oh my God. I wish I could catch that crab. Guys, I just wanted to have a look and see God natures. God make all of these things. So, you know, let's have a look and see what is going on. They are alive. Come down to lay the eggs to go back up into the eels. Sometimes some of them get killed by traffic passing by them there. So my viewers and subscribers, I want to thank you so much for your everlasting support, your help, your encouragement, your concern. I want to thank you so much for supporting me. And please remember, guys, that you are to continue to ask your families, friends, and loved ones just to go over to the amazing M&G channel, watch our videos for 4 or 5 minutes, and subscribe to our channel and help help the amazing M&G to grow, guys. Yes, guys, I am trying my best to make it happen. Trying my best to put out some videos that you guys can enjoy yourself. Yes, guys. Stand here, guys, into this big tree going up. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, way up there, them is, you know, way up there in this big tree here. God is so good. Oh, they're all about. Sometimes the men them, I don't see the men them now who fishing, they always come and pick up a bucket of them to use them to do fishing. Yeah, throw the line, put them on the line and do fishing. They're all about them there. See them here, guys. I could video the whole morning with them going all about. They're going up back now in the hills where they come from. It's a little stream coming down. Them there, guys. They're all about. I could spend the whole morning. Probably if I even go to my video villa, as them going in there. Them there, guys. They're all about. Everywhere look now, you can see them. God is a good God. Oh. Yeah, good morning. Yes, me just video them a while ago. Whole leap. At the time of year for them, you know. Yes. Oh. Thanks and love, guys, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the amazing M&G channel. Love you all, guys. Love you all. As I always say, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Love you so much, guys. Let's catch in a little view after those social crab. I don't see any past this side. We have a very rainy day today. Coming in at about 4 o'clock this morning. It has just stopped, but it's setting up again to fall. Pretty flowers by the roadside there, guys. Wow, luscious and green because we ever have rain. So the things them always green and pretty. Yes, guys. So reach my villa now. Love you all, guys, and thanks again for watching. And please remember now to like, share, subscribe to the amazing M and G channel. Love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.